Hello, it's Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener. I'm going to show you how we make a stamped concrete patio. Stamped concrete is kind of a cool texturing system where you take wet concrete and you do all kinds of different patterns in it. You can do paver patterns like this. You can even do wood patterns. I mean, isn't this kind of cool how the wood is kind of formed in this concrete just with this cool stamping technique? You can even do Patio tile, you can do flagstone. There's actually links for several different stamps in this video. But let's start with the basics. First, you got to pour the concrete. So when the concrete's poured and you've poured it in, and of course you better have that rebar there. And by the way, if you have really soft soil, you also have to have a crushed base underneath that rebar so the concrete doesn't settle down. But this particular job, the dirt was rock hard, so they didn't need to use crushed base. Anyway, you're pouring the concrete, and then you do the floating. That guy is using that big float stick, and he's floating to get nice and flat. Once you do that, then it's time to do the stamping. And so this particular stamp that they use is called Old Granite. And it's basically designed to make the concrete look like it has this granite texture. And one of the nice things about this stamp in particular is that it's got some nice rough edges. It makes it look kind of rustic. It kind of helps with any slip issues. If this concrete gets wet, because of all these contours, it's nice and rough. But it's not so rough you couldn't walk on this barefoot. So this is what they're doing. The concrete's wet. The concrete's dry enough. It's been dried for about 4 hours, and that's when they're starting to stamp it with those patterns, with those mats. And again, stamped concrete can be done with these particular mats. It can be done with forms. Again, you can do forms that make it look like pavers, make it look like flagstone. Lots of different stampings out there. And again, check out the links for some of the different stamps you can order if you're going to do this concrete work by yourself. This guy's actually stomping on the stamp to get that nice and settled in. And so, more typical is use that hard compactor to really pound that stamp right into place. But it really turns out great. And so one more thing he does, because it's granite, he actually uses this little edger. And this is kind of cool because he's roughing up the control joints. Control joints, as you saw in last week's video, are really important to control where the cracks are. You're trying to control cracks in concrete because concrete's always going to crack. But this edger makes it look like these are rough rocks. So again, here's what it looks like when it's all dry. This is a colored concrete called sandstone to give it an even more stone-like look. So this project turned out great. Big shout out to Del Mar Landscape. They did a great job with this concrete patio. Here's that contact information. And that's all we have for now. So don't forget to hit that like, hype, and subscribe, and leave a comment, especially that hype thing. It's a new thing on YouTube this year, the hype button. So make sure you hit that hype button when you see it on your smartphone. Well, that's all we have for now. So good luck with your landscape project. And this is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, saying thanks for watching.